Oh my gosh. This is great. No, cold apple, oh bro, cold apple juice is so good. It's like, you can take your shoes off and all, no, for real. Ooh, smoke is going to my nose. I'm about to sneeze. Come on, y'all. We can add more cans. We got 3 more cans. Well, really 4. We got 3 $2, and then we have 1 $3 one. Oh, y'all. Oh my god, this is great. Who wants to add in a can? Did that lady, that person that commented, did you want to add a can? Yeah, I have 1 dish soap Ajax. But we really just want to make it into recycling. There should be enough liquids in here. Nope. There's stuff at the bottom. I'm just seeing if somebody else is gonna add. I'm about to start mixing a can. I do have Murphy's oil. Let me know before I start, because I'm getting anxious. Barkeepers. The bottom is pink vanilla, Ajax. Righties, I'm gonna add for cans before I start. If someone adds, I'll add. That means we got 1. If someone does that, then we got 1 more can or 2 more cans. This is so good. Oh my god. I'm ready to start. Say less. Yeah, we about to start in 2 seconds. Ah, say less. I have like the tiniest bit of Fabulosa. That's literally all. Yeah, like that's all that I have. I know if my boyfriend walks out, he's gonna be like, what the heck? Nah, I'm not selling the fab. It's literally like this much in here. I use it, so it's not much in there. I've been using it for like combos that I do and then cleaning around the house. Yes, we're trying to do recycled powder. Yeah? Oh my god, I swallowed my spit the wrong way. Oh god. It's KAYPAT 1125. No, I'm sorry. I need to change that one that's in my bio. The one that, the one I use, I'm sorry, I changed the username. It's just KAYPAT 1125. Gotta finish first. Nope, I'm not using any. As you see, none on my hand. Y'all, the rinse. The rinse is gonna be so good. Yes, I'm saving. Should I add another can, y'all?